I'm Alex with Storyline Travel. We're in Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. We're staying in a bungalow as we prepare for a cruise out of Port Canaveral. If you have a small group, consider a bungalow. Let's go take a look. Come on. As you approach the bungalow, notice we have a nice porch with wind chimes on either side that provide a wonderful little melody as you approach our bungalow. You'll see the window for one of our bedrooms closed at the moment. And then as we approach the front door, because this is a bungalow for bigger groups, there is a doorbell. So if someone's inside or you don't have your key, you can use the doorbell and it will ring all throughout the bungalow. Well, let's go in and take a look. As you come in, there is a little table here right off the vestibule for keys or cards. And notice the light switch. It is electronic. You have a main on and off. But also, as you hit the lights, you're given a menu for different settings. Also, I noticed how wide this hallway is. It really makes the space feel open. To your right is the main bedroom, and we're going to take a quick tour through the bedroom. This bedroom has a king-size bed, and it looks out over the Seven Seas Lagoon. Notice the shades are translucent, so we can actually see through, but there is a set of darkening shades behind it, so at night you can pull those to make the room rather dark. To the right, as we came in, there is a sliding barn-style door that leads into the bathroom area. Let's pop in and take a look. It's quite impressive. In this main bathroom, there is double sinks with baskets for you. We found the laundry basket and are using that for a hamper. One unique feature in this large bathroom is hidden behind this mirror. You have a TV remote, and you get to catch up on TV or enjoy a classic Mickey cartoon. A nice, huge soaking tub with jets. After that long day in the park, if you go to the park, it's great to relax. A nice large shower with very comfy and luxury robes that were provided. Notice you have multiple options for the shower, both a wand and a rain shower head. And then finally, more water closet style, there is a door and a space for the toilet. Well, let's finish the tour of the master bedroom. Notice there is drawers and a little desk space. Both a plug and USB plugs are provided. And then the closet space. Now, here's the thing. This is definitely a temporary setting because this is one of the smallest closet spaces I've ever seen. There's not much room to hang more than just a few items of clothing and some additional drawers inside. Also note that this little cabinet is built in, so truly it's just small. And then finally, there is a door that leads out to the lanai. We'll go take a view of the lanai later, but from the master bedroom you can step out. Now, coming in from the front door, if you go to the left, you'll come into the secondary bedroom that's in this Polynesian bungalow. Notice the bed is a queen, and your window does look out the front of the bungalow with a nice window seat and cushion. This bedroom actually sleeps three because right under the window, you'll see there's a twin that drops down with a Lilo and Stitch motif painted in the background. This bedroom also has a closet space, which I actually think is done much better than the master. So you have multiple bars to hang clothes, shelves, and drawers
conveniently located within arm's reach. Down the hall from the secondary bedroom is the secondary bathrooms, but also a few surprises. So first, let's take a look at this door, and you have a stackable washer and dryer. On the other side, you have additional closet space and storage. This is where your safe is, your iron and ironing board. So this will give you a little bit additional space, especially for the person or family that's going to be staying in the living room. And there's the extra pillow and blanket for the pull-down couch in the living room. Now let's get into the secondary bathroom. There is a single vanity sink. It's in here a combination tub and shower. So the tub's nice if you have little ones or someone who needs to take a soak. You do have 2 tubs in this villa. And then a water closet style vanity and toilet with a door. Now realize that this bathroom is the one that's also used by folks who are staying or just visiting in the living room and kitchen dining area.
So let's head down the hallway and take a look at the living area. First thing you'll notice when you come into this area is a nice big table. It has seating for 8. It's a good time to mention that the bungalows can sleep 8. We have a full kitchen, nice refrigerator, dishwasher. It actually has the stove cooktop and oven, as well as plates and glasses for you to use. Also notice at this time that there is both a drip coffee pot and a Keurig provided, and we had a few K-cups and coffee given to us by Disney when we checked in. There's the cups and bowls, mugs that are available, and notice cooking supplies are provided as well. Plates and bowls, nice toaster if you'd like a bagel or some toast, and then stemware and glassware. In the drawers, full silverware. So you can truly have a family meal while you're here. I like this feature. Pull out for the trash, you get to hide that. And then last, I want to show you the pantry over here by the refrigerator. More coffee. Can you tell our family likes coffee? And then there were some takeaway cups that were provided. But you can use this space if you want to purchase some additional groceries to have with you. And then a deep drawer, while narrow, would be great for storing different types of food. Now let's take a look at the living area. You have 2 seats and a sofa for a conversational area, and of course looking out over the back lanai and the Seven Seas Lagoon. Notice the sofa area also has wonderful artwork. It will be a queen bed that we can pull down Murphy style from the wall. For the people who are relegated to sleeping in the living room, there are some drawers available as a chest of drawers. And then we also have a single bed. Highly recommend a child or small adult for this, but you can pull it down. It is twin size. Comes from the wall with a fun light parade motif in the background. So let's take a look outside at the lanai. Now notice across the lagoon, that's Magic Kingdom. You'll see Cinderella's Castle and Space Mountain. Those are easy to make out. The first thing you notice here on the left is we do have a plunge pool. This is a nice little pool to sit and enjoy watching the fireworks or the water parade. It is fenced off for safety,
and it has the high pool bar so that little ones cannot easily wander into the pool area. You have a nice table for 4 if you want to sit out here and have coffee or a snack, and a couple of lounge chairs to kick back, put your feet up, and enjoy this chaise. Also notice from our view, you can see the ferry boats that are taking from the TTC, Ticket and Transportation Center, over to Magic Kingdom. Now finally, I want to wrap around the lanai here and show you these beautiful wicker hanging chairs. This is an absolutely fantastic place to have your coffee in the morning. We've done this every morning. And you'll also notice the door here that goes into the main bedroom of the bungalow. So you can actually come in and out of that main bungalow without disturbing anyone else. And finally, one of the benefits of being in a Polynesian bungalow is the evening light shows. From the water parade that we truly enjoyed to the Magic Kingdom fireworks, we found the Polynesian Bungalows to be a great place to stay if you have a multi-generational family getting ready to take a Disney cruise out of Port Canaveral, or to be honest, any cruise out of Port Canaveral. Coming into Orlando a day early and enjoying the benefits of this beautiful resort and staying in a bungalow was a lot of fun, relaxed us, and got us ready for our cruise. But it's also a great place to come after your cruise to unwind, get your land legs back before you take that flight home. If you know anyone getting ready to take a cruise out of Port Canaveral, share this video with them. And a Storyline Travel, we believe every adventure is a story waiting to be told.